Hi, my name is Laura Lee Taylor. I am currently attending Central Michigan University for my master's degree in early childhood education. I am in an administration and leadership class, HDF 508. This presentation is going to be about Competency E, which is under Health, Safety, and Nutrition in the Michigan Core Knowledge and Core Competencies book. Competency E demonstrates ability to partner with families to exchange information, provide services and/or referrals, and create links with health, safety, and nutrition programs, which basically is having teachers, directors, principals link up with families if their child needs, special help in a certain area, and to reach out to the community partnerships that are out there and give referrals, give some handouts that give ideas what their child needs special help with to keep our kids and our students safe, healthy, and nutritious.